Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Countdown Timer widget so you can create a sense of urgency, encourage faster checkouts, and boost your store's conversions. This widget helps you increase sales, reduce cart abandonment, and keep your shoppers engaged throughout their buying journey. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Countdown Timer widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Cart Countdown Timer. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Cart Countdown Timer. Here, you can customize all settings. You can add tabs. Click to add block and select Timer. Inside each block, you can customize. Block name. Used for internal identification. It's best to leave it as is to prevent display issues. Show on. Decide where the Cart Countdown Timer will be displayed. Desktop. Appears only when customers browse on a desktop or laptop. Mobile. Appears only on mobile devices. Both. Displays across all devices. Text. Customize the message that appears with your timer. For example, hurry! Cart reserved for hours, minutes, seconds. Alignment. Choose how you'd like the countdown text to appear on your cart page. You have 3 alignment options. Left. Positions the timer text on the left side of the block. Center. Places the timer text neatly in the middle of the block. Right. Aligns the timer text on the right side of the block. Hours, minutes, seconds. You can choose which time units to display. If any field is left blank, that unit will be hidden from your timer text. Icon. Select your preferred icon to display with the timer. Example, shopping cart. Custom icon. Upload your own icon for a fully branded look. Visibility settings. Control where your Cart Countdown Timer appears using visibility options. You can show it for all pages, collection-based, type-based, tag-based, product-based. Collections. Choose specific collections. Product types. Add types like clothing or accessories. Product tags. Add tags such as vegan leather. Products. Select individual products. And that's it! Your Cart Countdown Timer widget is now set up and ready to go. By customizing it, you'll keep shoppers informed, build urgency, and drive more completed checkouts, all while creating a smooth and professional shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.